Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So finally, the new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra new exciting camera details emerged on the network. Contrary to old information, new rumors indicate that the Galaxy S24 Ultra should maintain the 10x zoom lens. According to the available data, the new Galaxy S24 Ultra to keep 10x zoom lens and add a 5x as well, and many other great features. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. It turns out that Samsung may keep the 10x zoom camera for the Galaxy S24 Ultra after all. Contrary to old information, industry sources are heard by the South Korean website the Elec. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel wide-angle camera. In addition, indicates that Samsung should keep the lens 10x zoom on the Galaxy S24 Ultra model, ultimately replacing the 3x camera with a more robust 5x solution. The information also indicates that the company is confident in the number of sales of the premium cell phone, with alone would represent more than 40% of sales estimates within the family. According to Korean outlet the Elec report, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will have a 200 megapixel wide-angle camera as well as a 12 megapixel ultra-wide, 50 megapixel 5x zoom and 10 megapixel 10x zoom snappers. It is likely that, save the 50 megapixel 5x camera, all of these sensors will be broadly the same as those of the ongoing Galaxy S23 Ultra model. Samsung will supply the 200 megapixel camera sensor, while it will split the supply for the 12 megapixel ultra-wide with Namuga and Sunny Optical. Sunny Optical and Samsung will supply the 10x and 5x cameras. The 12 megapixel front-facing camera will be supplied by Namuga and MC Nex, the report claims. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will have 50 megapixel main cameras, 12 megapixel ultra-wide and 10 megapixel 3x zoom shooters, matching the current generation. According to the report, Samsung will aim to ship 35.2 million units of the Galaxy S24 lineup in 2024, 15.9 million, approximately 45%, of which of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, 13.5 million, approximately 38% of the Galaxy S24 basic model, and 5.8 million, approximately 16% of the Plus model. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while the other two models will be powered by both the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and Exynos 2400 processors. Samsung's new high-end smartphone should be announced on January 17th, according to leak, with sales expected to start in the same month. It should arrive alongside also speculated Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus models, with all of them standing out for their expected new artificial intelligence features. The prices of the smartphones are still unknown. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.